Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you this effective hair shampoo that will help you grow your hair. It will help and also moisturize your hair. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome. So today I'm showing you how to use these two ingredients to make a very potent and powerful shampoo. Yes, this shampoo, if you're having bald spots, alopecia, thin edges, use this shampoo. It's going to help you out because this is one of the products I use to regrow my front edges. Yes, so if you're interested, kindly keep on watching. So this is the toothbrush I will be using. If you have black soap like the one from Ghana, black soap, you can use that one. So I could not get my hands on that, so I got my hands on toothbrush, which is the Nigerian black soap. Yes, so I'm going to be using this. I cut it this way so that I can be able to grate it. If you can chop it like this, you can cut it like this and melt it, but if you want it to melt really quick and really fast, you have to grate it. So I'm not using the full of it, I'm going to be using half, yeah, because I'm doing a smaller batch, yes, for my hair, because one I've done before has finished. So I just said to make this video and refill. Yeah, so after grating, this is what we have, and we'll transfer this in a plate. When I transfer this in a plate, then we'll proceed to the next step. So I'll be adding my Chebe. This Chebe powder is really amazing for hair growth. This is a very potent, like this is a very strong DIY recipe you need to have in your house. So after adding my Chebe, I'll just add hot water and I'll mix these two together. And guys, see, it's so simple but not that simple. Yeah, so after mixing these together, I'll allow this to settle for a while. Please keep on watching to see the next step on what other ingredients I'll be adding to this. So guys, it's all ready. I'll be saving these just in case I get any particles I don't want. I'll be saving these away. So far I added an essential oil into this. I added lavender into this because lavender too helps to promote hair growth. The clip, I could not find the clip, so just in case you watch this extent, the ingredient I added to this was lavender, and this is the chaff that you don't need in your shampoo. And this is what our shampoo looks like. This is a batch I made for myself. Yeah, so I'm using this anytime I'm washing my hair, and this really helped my edges to come out. So far, this is what my hair looks like. This is my wash day. This is what my hair looks like, and this is the small little hair fallout I had after I finished losing and detangling my hair. So I'm going to be applying this on a dry hair. You can do this on a wet hair. I just want to show you guys how I apply this on my hair with my ring light, not inside the bathroom, but I'll show you guys how I apply this in the bathroom. Anyway, we move. Yes, so I'm just going to be applying this on my hair, all over my hair, and scrubbing and washing. No matter way you wash your hair, guys, there's nothing too much about it. This is really amazing for your scalp. It cleans the scalp. It helps to repair damaged hair, And yeah, so I'm just going to be using my scalp massager to massage this my hair. After massaging it, I will plait it, and I'll also show you guys how you should use it in the bathroom. All right, so please keep on watching. Hi, this is me inside the bathroom. Yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how to use this at the bathroom. I'm using cold water, that's why my face is like that. So I'll just apply this all over my hair. After applying it all over my hair, I will put this soap on it and I'll scrub it, and that's it. So far, this is what my hair looks like. My scalp felt so clean. If you have dandruff, this could help your dandruff out. So I think this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new, turn up the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So this is the small hair I got after washing and everything. Yeah, so I'll see you on my next one. Bye.